What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. By saying that, thanks and I appreciate every single one of you have subscribed, like, and comment. It's muggy, it's hot, it's some burrow outside, but we're still moving on. This is dry. It's been about 2 days. I'm moving on. I'm gonna simply, guys, put you on a time lapse. It's time to sand it. Whatever little imperfections I have, we'll fix it up with icing. Fiberglass, it does take its time, longer than Bando and other stuff. So I want to get to prime it and see these uniform for once and all. And life is simple, boys. Do work for yourself and not for everybody else, because the work will let you down before you let yourself down. With that being said, let's get it. This is literally sanded. I could literally prime it right now and call it over with. But I'm gonna rinse it out, wash the car, let it dry, and some another occasion I'll prime it. And if I have to pass a little icing here and there, we'll do that. But this came out really smooth. I just simply want to take a chance to wash off all the dust of the car. The hole is being patched along with the quarter panel. Can't even tell that's been replaced. It looked like it just got work done. So I want to rinse out the car for the day, clean up. And on another location, we'll come back. We ice up the little spots that I see. And prime, and this side should be finished. But this is finished as we speak. You guys let me know. The hole's been filled. Quarter replaced. Did the shape on the gas tank. I'm still working inside there. But you guys see the shapes. Everything looking good. So I'm just gonna pull the car back out, pause, and start rinsing it out so I get some of this dust out. Leave it aside for the day. And on another occasion, we'll do the icing and the priming. But for today's goal, sanding and finishing the lower quarter panel with the rocker panel, it's been done. This is completed, boys. No longer the same car. This is looking better. Alright, boys, car is clean. This whole side is done. I rinsed it out. I hate having dust, bando, anything, because you go get in the car, you breathe that, you know, and it gets accumulated. But overall, you guys see the work. Finish, replace. It's a matter of getting a primer, and that's it. I could have primed it today, but I don't have any. So I want to take my time, enjoy it. Next time we'll prime it. We put a little icing. But that's already finished. But that's looking money, boys. So I just wanted to clean it out quickly. Have it a little cleaner. A little more presentable so that I could use it. Overall, the whole lower rocker panel and quarter is finished in this car. Already look different, boys. If it would have been primer like the fenders and the hood, you couldn't even tell. It would have looked better. I don't have any primer today, so we're gonna leave it for another occasion, but that's finished. Got a little bit on this side. I don't have to replace the whole quarter panel like I did, just do that corner. I do have to do the lower rocker panel like I did that side. That's coming up in the next weeks. That way so I can move on and continue working in the other cars, not just stay stuck on one. That's coming up. Stay tuned. The car is looking clean. The car is looking a lot better. This is gonna be a wrap. I'm gonna thanks and I appreciate every single one of you have subscribed, like, and comment. Stay tuned in the channel. I thank y'all all for your support, along with the Bill, the Black Widow. Till the next time, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and commenting. Peace.